In this video, we'll show you 5 proven stocks that are perfect for long-term investors, especially if you're just getting started. Want to build wealth without checking the stock market every day? These 5 companies are stable, trusted, and built to grow. So if you're ready to start investing with confidence, stick around. What is long-term investing? Long-term investing is a strategy where you buy and hold investments, like stocks, ETFs, or mutual funds, for years or even decades, instead of trying to trade them frequently. Why? Markets may go up and down in the short term, but over the long term, they have historically trended upwards. Avoiding frequent trading reduces taxes and fees, boosting overall returns. Time plus compound growth equals serious wealth. What makes a stock long-term safe? Here's what we look for in a solid long-term stock: strong business fundamentals, steady revenue and profit growth, a product people use every day, great leadership, and a track record of performance, even in tough times. Let's get into the 5 stocks that check all these boxes. First up is Apple. This might be obvious, but Apple is more than just iPhones. It's an entire ecosystem of AirPods, Apple Pay, Apple Music. People don't just buy it, they stay loyal. And that's why Apple keeps growing. Fun fact, there are over 2 billion active Apple devices worldwide. Coming in second is Microsoft. Microsoft is everywhere: work, school, gaming, and even the cloud. It makes money from software subscriptions, business tools, and AI. It's stable, smart, and always growing. Fun fact, Microsoft has increased its dividend every year since 2004. Next up is Costco. Costco sells in bulk, charges membership fees, and people love it. Even during recessions, customers still shop there to save money. That loyalty means steady revenue and strong profits. Not to forget the free samples and $1.50 hot dogs. Fun fact, over 90% of members renew every year. Fourth is Visa. Every time someone swipes a card or buys something online, Visa earns a fee. It doesn't lend money, it just runs the network. And as digital payments grow, so does Visa. Fun fact, Visa processed over 250 billion transactions last year alone. Last and certainly not least is Amazon. You probably know it as the go-to for online shopping, but Amazon is much more than a retail giant. Amazon makes money from Prime memberships, its massive logistics network, and businesses using its cloud. That mix of tech and retail makes Amazon a long-term powerhouse. Did you know AWS brings in over 70% of all of Amazon's operating profit? So here's your starter pack of forever stocks: Apple, Microsoft, Costco, Visa, and Amazon. If you're new to investing, you don't need 50 stocks. You just need a few great ones and the patience to let them grow. Think long-term, stay consistent, and you'll be ahead of most investors. Which of these stocks would you buy first? Let me know in the comments below. If you did enjoy, please subscribe to Finance Frog for weekly finance and investing videos. Other than that, we'll see you in the next one. Remember to always save smart and invest smarter.